Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Very. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As a part of this video, we're going to cover about the square pattern with fixed alphabet symbol in every column. Actually, every row we have already seen in the previous video. So in this video, we are going to see about how to print that alphabets in the same alphabet in the every column. Okay. Okay. With further ado, let's start with the approach. So before that, I'll show you the example. What I meant here is like suppose if we give the n size as 3, we get the patterns like ABC, ABC. But if you see this column wise, we have all the constant values. So to achieve this, we'll be using the for loops and print statements. And as I earlier told in the previous video, to get the values of the characters, we can use the uh, CHR functions to get the characters. So suppose we have a CHR as 65, we get as capital A. And if we use CHR as 66, we get it as B. And for character 67, we get it as C. This is for the capital letter. Suppose if you want it in the smaller letter, then we need to give as 60 characters starting with 10, count 97. So this is how the characters will be displayed here. You can use these functions to get the actual values to display in this format. Okay, so let's see how we can use it. Suppose I'm just taking the size of the square we want to print as a storing a variable as into n. Just looping it using the for loop for I in range of n. So this starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1 values. Suppose if we are giving it as 3, it will be like 0, 1, and 2. So I'm taking one more loop for columns as well for j in range of n, and I'm going to print character char functions starting with 65 plus j value to change the loop to print it in the same line. And this we can print into the new line because I want that to be repeated. Okay, I think this should do the job. Let's try it out and run it and test it. Okay, so you can see this function works. If you give the increase the size, so we got like all the values, constant values in the columns A and B, C respectively. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.